Hello bachon, so let's read the question. The question says, match the columns and find out the correct combination. First column में दिया हुआ है stapes, occipital, hyoid and zygomatic. Second column में दिया हुआ है ear ossicle, facial bone, cranial bone and U-shaped. So the key concept for this question is axial skeleton. The axial skeleton basically consists of 80 bones and forms the middle axis of the body. That is why it is called the axial skeleton. Axial skeleton consists of सबसे पहला होता है skull. Skull further consists of two set of bones. First is the facial and second is the cranial. Facial bones consist of the front of the skull and is composed of 14 bones. जो cranial bone होता है, it is basically the hard part of the skull, which is called the cranium, and it is composed of 8 bones. Second is the hyoid bone. Hyoid bone is a single U-shaped bone which is present in the base of the buccal cavity. And third होते हैं ear ossicles. Ear ossicles are present in 3 pairs. Namely malleus, incus and stapes. Vertebral column. The vertebral column consists of 33 bones. There are 5 parts of the vertebral column. 5 categories में divide करा गया है. First is the cervical. Second is thoracic. Third is lumbar. Fourth is sacrum. And fifth is coccyx. And they are divided by the intervertebral discs. Vertebral column basically supports the head and protects the spinal cord. Next होता है sternum. Sternum is the single flat bone which is present in the ventral midline. जहाँ पे ribs attach होते हैं. Further, 12 pairs of ribs जो ventrally attached होता है sternum से and dorsally attached होता है vertebral column से. Further, जो facial bones होते हैं उसके examples होते हैं zygomatic bone, mandible, maxilla, etc. और cranial bone के examples होते हैं parietal bone, temporal bone, frontal bone, occipital bone, etc. So coming back to the question, सबसे पहले option दिया है stapes. Stapes is an ear ossicle, so A is matched to 1. Second is occipital. Occipital is one of the cranial bones, so B का हो गया 3. Third is hyoid. Hyoid जो है, it is a single U-shaped bone which is present at the base of the buccal cavity. So C का हो गया 4. And zygomatic is an example of facial bone. So D हो गया match to 2. So A1, B3, C4 and D2 is given on the first option. So the final answer for this question is option A. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.